He's all tangled up. It's a pretty big carp for a creek. Oh, you hold that. Oh, you butthole. There we go, first carp for me. He's pretty long. Freaking splashed me in the face. That was awesome. I'll wear himself out a little bit. He got a red tail on him. Second carp for me. Not a very big guy. Austin got his first carp, right?
Yep.
Second carp he's had on the line, but the one brought him in this wood and broke him off. It's about the average size we've been catching, but there's some giants in here. Oh, there's a big one. Oh, get out of there. Get out of there. There you go. Doing some carp fishing today. Oh, no! Get out of there. Yeah. Whew. Might need your help on this one. You might need to hold this rod for me. Nah, he's still going. Jeez. Yeah, I'll take it. You got him?
Yeah.
Just don't want to fall in here. Oh, you flung my worm off. Ew. There's a nice carp right there. Third one of the day for me. Put an awesome fight on that ultralight. He's gotta be, yeah, I haven't even seen him yet. He's not gonna spool you, is he? It's already on. Austin's hooked up with a decent fish here.
He might be a cat.
Dude, huge catfish.
Is it?
Dude, you're gonna get caught on the log. Like, probably a 15 pounder.
No.
Yes. It looks ginormous. I'm not kidding you, huge catfish. You might want to come out on this.
Yeah, I'll really tire him out. He's going underneath it.
That way you can, if you need to, you can get your rod tip under there. This one's kind of hollow though.
I just let him fight out there.
Dude, he's a toad. Austin's got a huge catfish on. Using ultralight tackle here. It's a pretty big channel cat. I hope he comes over here so you can see him. He's pretty big. I think you're gonna be surprised when you see him. Just don't force him too much.
Yeah, I got a 5-pound test on.
I think you're gonna be surprised.
Oh, don't go upstream. Oh yeah, he's a nice one.
Yeah, that's a pretty big channel cat. He's probably not 15.
He's getting tired.
That's a huge channel cat for this creek. Yeah, real tired. I caught a bass while we're waiting for the catfish. It's a pretty nice bass we're in here. Or a largie.
Uh-oh. Dude, there's a huge smallie following him. Huge smallie under this log.
Is that a smallie following him?
Yeah.
I think that's a... That might be a largemouth, actually. Here, I'm gonna set... With your other hand, you think you just set this pole over there? Set it wherever it's not gonna fall in the water.
Oh no. He's caught somewhere. Yeah, he's caught somewhere. I'll go get him. Here, hold that.
He's probably right behind us. It's probably pretty deep there though. No.
Did he come out?
Try to see if he's still on there. I don't feel him. Oh, 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 oh. He might be working his way out. He might work his way out. Here. Yeah, he's coming out. He's coming out.
Yeah, he might be a blue.
Dude, he looks so much bigger in the water.
Yeah,
That's still a nice fish, though.
He's a 6.
Is that a blue cat?
Yep.
Sweet. Austin caught a nice blue catfish. Ultralight tackle. What, 5-pound test?
5 pound, yeah.
Fighting them in this stuff.
Had to go retrieve him through the brush. Getting tangled.
You can get some pictures if you want.
Yeah.
It's up to you. Alright, I got quite a few. Plus, I could always pause it on video too. Let me get a picture like that. Alright. That was a good fight.
Yeah. That was. Ooh. Got a strong bite to him.
Nice fish.